Hello, Assalamu alaikum everyone. Hope you are all doing well. I am also well. Today I am going to talk about presentation on pollution. First of all, pollution means making our environment dirty and healthy. It is the biggest problem in the world today. There are different types of pollution such as water pollution, soil pollution, noise pollution, plastic pollution and air pollution. Nowadays, pollution is increasing day by day and unfortunately our country is also facing this problem. In cities like Dhaka, the air is polluted because of smoke from vehicles, factories and brick mills causes air pollution. Plastic waste and industrial factories and rivers and lakes pollute. Noise from vehicles and construction work also affects our health and our daily life. It causes many diseases such as asthma, lung cancer, heart disease and skin problems. It also harmful for animals, plants, trees and birds. In a result, the balance of nature is disturbed. Although pollution has no advantages, factories and industries help our creating new jobs and protecting our health. Although we should continue development in a cleaner and more environmental friendly way. To reduce pollution, we should plant more and more trees to reduce plastic waste and recycle waste, mechanicals and use public transport. The government should enforce the environmental laws and every citizen should be aware of protecting the environment. In conclusion, the pollution is every people environmental responsibilities. If we all work together, we can reduce pollution and build a healthier, greener and cleaner future. That's all about being. Thank you so much.